This 2025 Prime Time LaCrosse 3510DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.